Osteoporosis and osteopenia are becoming pretty prevalent in our society. And it could be because we have more older adults, but we're also seeing this in our younger generations as well. Over half of women age 56 have either osteoporosis or osteopenia. And what's really cool is we don't have to just think we can't do anything about it, because we can. I see this in my practice a lot, but this week I have a patient, she's 56, and we did a bioimpedance analysis 5 months ago that looks at the physiology of the body, and we just did another one this week, and she has lost 8 pounds of body fat at age 56. She was tormented by her hormones. Those are balancing out, and her bone mineral content stopped going down. So that's really, really exciting for a woman who's age 56 and she thinks she's just going down the gutter for the rest of her life, right? So if you know somebody who's been struggling with osteoporosis or osteopenia or thinks that they just have to live with it, I'm here to tell you different. And as long as you're nourishing therapeutically the underlying root cause of why that's happening, then the body rebuilds and heals. So I'm here to help anyone who's having that concern. Reach out anytime.